Hello there, it's Elizabeth from Wonder Mum Blog. I am currently in Vegas and having the most incredible time. I'm absolutely loving it. It's my first time here. I'm here for an amazing conference which has been absolutely epic. We're staying at the MGM Grand, so that's where the conference has been. And I thought, do you want to come and have a look at my room? Let's go inside. So I have ordered, help I opened it. I booked a king room. I'm gonna just turn the camera around. So this is as you walk in, you've got your bathroom right there. A toilet. Now, this toilet has got a phone. Have you ever used a phone in a bathroom, in a hotel bathroom? Comment below if you have. I haven't. And who did you phone? Who did you phone on, on that? I bet they really appreciated it. Bath, shower, sorry, really nice and big, lots of space here for my cosmetics and the sink. A rather retro looking sort of faux leather chair. We've got a light, nice big TV, writing desk, bed. Over here we've got some really cool mirrors. Hi! Got a really nice big wardrobe. So looking in, I clearly bought too many clothes. Look, so many, and look at this. What are these shoes? I came for 5 days, and look how many shoes I brought. Obviously necessary. I like they got an iron board. Haven't actually used it. I think is that a trouser press? That's very retro as well. No mini bar. That's the only disappointing thing. No mini bar. Writing desk, bed, and side tables. And if we go over here, we can see the view. So what do we got here? We have got Hooters. Haven't been there, don't intend to be going there. Look at the views of the mountains though. I mean, Las Vegas is in the middle of a desert and the scenery around it is just incredible. Okay, so over here you have got Excalibur. This looks such a cool place. I know the kids would absolutely love it. It also has a roller coaster. You can go on. We haven't got to do that either. So that has been my abode here for the past 5 nights. It's been pretty cool. I've absolutely loved Vegas. I will definitely be coming back again next year. The MGM Grand is right on the Vegas Strip, so it's really convenient for getting out there. I even went for a jog, so those trainers that I bought did come in handy. It's got a casino downstairs, loads and loads of restaurants and bars, a really cool pool area actually. So definitely recommend going. Have you ever stayed at the MGM Grand? Comment below if you have. Do you love Vegas? Who loves Vegas out there? Let me know. And please, if you like this video, check out what else I've got on my channel and make sure you subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.